Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. New IB world is any developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the projects using different languages, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have just built using Python in artificial intelligence, and we have also built many of the projects using Next.js and different languages. And I hope you understand that all projects. So today we are just creating an amazing project here, and we will be using blockchain, Ethereum, and Solidity to create this amazing project. And this will be an amazing application. So we will be creating today an amazing cake application from start using Solidity, Ethereum, and we will be also using blockchain in this video. So if you understand this project from start and if you enjoyed this video from start, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can create these different things using different languages. So just now we'll be starting with our amazing video and seeing that how we can just create this amazing cake application from start, and how we will be using Ethereum Solidity and blockchain to create this application from start to end. So just like I'm telling you that today we are just creating an amazing cake application here, and I will be telling you how we can just create this amazing cake application using Solidity, Ethereum, and we will be also using blockchain to create this video. So we are just building this project, and I hope you'll be understanding this project here of cake application which we are creating through Solidity, Ethereum, and blockchain. So for building this amazing cake app, here you have to open your folder first of all of the cake app. So here I will be moving to my open folder, then move to downloads, and you can see here is our folder cake zone, and then I will be now opening this folder here in my default browser. Then I will be now opening my main file here, and after opening the main file I will be pressing Ctrl V to close side panel. Then here I will be moving, and after moving here I will be removing all these files because I will be not needing these all things here, like you know that, because I am just using my own code here. So because of that I will be not needing these files to work with. So now I will be moving, and then after moving here you have to just remove this thing from here. And after removing, just we have to now press Ctrl S to save this all stuff, and then you have to zoom in so you can just so you can just see all my codes. And I will be moving to downloads, and you can see here is our file. And now I will be making it side by side like this. After doing it, here you have to now make this VS Code bigger. So I will be making this side bigger like this. And after making this, press Ctrl V to close side panel here. And then when you just written this all stuff here, I will be doing one thing else, like here I will be now saving this file from here, press Ctrl Z. Then you have to now do one thing, you have to move down, just press enter to give some spacing here. Then I will be now moving down after this tag and creating a div class, and in this div class I will be writing it as container, and I will be now writing container fluid. Then you have to write here px0 and write here d none, which means that display should be none. Then I will be writing dlg block like this. Then you have to create a div class, and in this div class I will be writing it as row gx0. Then you have to write here div class again, and here I will be writing for lg4. Then you have to create here text center and write here bg secondary. Then you have to write py3. Then create another div class as d inline flex, and I will be now writing here align item center. Then you have to create here justify content, and I will be now writing here in center. Then you have to create here I tag. So here I will be now moving down and creating here I tag as bi envelope, and then you have to now just do one thing, you have to give a space, and then you have to write like this bi envelope. Then after writing this, you have to now write here fs1 and write here text primary, and then after writing this text primary here, you have to now just write v3 like this. Now when you just written this, you have to move down and create here div class as text start. Then write here div x6, and then here I will be now writing text uppercase. Then I will be now writing here mb1. Then you have to write here email us like this. Then you have to move down and create here span tag, in which I will be now writing here info@example.com. Then you have to now move down and create here div class. In this div class I will be writing call lg4 and write here text center. Then you have to write here bg primary, and then when you just written this thing, just here I will be now writing here border inner. Then I will be writing here py3. Then you have to write here div class, and I will be now writing it as d inline flex. So here I will be now writing d inline flex like this, and create align items should be center. Then write here justify content center like this. Now after writing this tag, you have to now just move down and create here a tag, in which I will be now writing my main file name. Create class again, which should be as length bar bread. Then when you've written this, you have to write here h1, and here I will be now writing class. In class I will be writing m0 text, and I will be now writing here uppercase. Create here text y. Now you have to create I tag and write here class FA birthday cake. Then you have to now write here FS1 and write here tag start. Then after writing this, you have to now write here ME3 and write here cake zone like this. Then you have to save it. And after saving this, you have to now create here div class SCOLLG4 and write here text center. Then I will be now writing here PG secondary and I will be writing here PY3 like this. Then you have to create a tag here again which should be SD inline flex. So here I will be now writing like this, and then you have to create here align item should be center. Then here I will be also writing justify content center, and then you have to move down, and after moving down just I will be creating here I tag with class as bi tool, and I will be now writing here vibrate like this. Then you have to create fs1, and then I will be now writing here text primary. Then here I will be writing me3, which means that me3. Then I will be moving down and write here div class as text start, and I will be now writing here x6 class, and then here I will be writing x uppercase and write here mb1. So here I will be now writing mb1. Then here I will be writing colors, and then you have to move down, write here span plus 0 1 2 and write here 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then you have to move down after the 5 divs which we have created here. And after moving down, you have to now create here nav as navbar, and then you have to write here navbar expand, and here I will be now writing here LG, then write here BG dark. Then I will be now writing here navbar dark, and then you have to write here shadow SM, and then I will be writing here PY3 PYLG0. Then I will be now writing here PX3. Then after writing this, you have to now write here PXLG0. Then I will be now writing here A tag, and here I will be now just writing my main file name. Then create here class navbar, and I will be now just writing here dblock like this and write dlg none. Then when you've written this, you have to create h1 class as I will be now writing here m0, and then you have to create here text uppercase. So here I will be now writing text uppercase and text should be white. Then I will be writing here I tag class fa. Then I will be now writing here birthday. And then here I will be just now writing here birthday cake fs1. So here I will be now writing fs1 like this, and then when you've written this, you have to write here text primary. So here I will be now writing text primary like this, and after writing this, you have to now just write here me3. Then move forward and write here cake zone like this. And then when you've written this, you have to now just do one thing here. You have to move down and create button class, and here I will be writing that bar toggler. And then you have to now just write here type button, and then here I will be now just writing data bs toggle, and I will be now writing here collapse. Then you have to now write here data bs target. Then here I will be now writing navbar collapse. Then when you've written this, you have to create here span tag. Then I will be now writing here class as navbar toggler, and I will be now writing here item. Then you have to just do one thing. You have to move down after this tag, and then I will be now creating another tag which should be like div class as collapse, and here you have to write navbar collapse. Then you have to now write here id as navbar collapse like this, and then I will be now creating a div class. In this I will be now writing here navbar nav, and here I will be writing ms auto. Then you have to write mxlg auto. Then you have to now write here py0 like this, and then I will be writing here main file name, and then here I will be now giving here the class as nav item. Then you have to write here nav link active like this. Then here in active I will be now writing here home. Then move down and create here again main file name. Then create class as nav item and write here nav link. Then here I will be now writing about us. Then you have to move down and create here menu file. Then create class as nav item, and I will be now writing here nav link. Then you have to write here menu and pricing. Then you have to move down and create a tag and create here teams. And then I will be now writing nav item with class and write here nav link. Then I will be now writing here master chefs. So here I will be now writing master chefs like this. Then create here div class as nav item, and I will be now writing here drop down. Then create a tag, and here I will be also writing class as nav link. And then you have to write here drop down toggle, and then I will be now writing here data bs toggle, and then here I will be writing drop down. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here pages, and here I will be now writing div class. In div class I will be writing drop down menu, and here you have to write m0. Then create here a tag and write here service file, and I will be now writing drop down item. Then you have to write here our service like this. Then move down and create here testimonial, and then you have to write here class drop down item. And after writing this, you have to now write here testimonial, and then you have to save this and create a tag and write here contact file. Then I will be now writing here class nav item, nav link, and then here I will be writing contact us like this. Save it. Then move down after the nav tag which we have created, and then I will be now writing it as div class, and I will be now writing here container fluid bg primary, and I will be now writing here py5 mb5, and then you have to write here 0 header. Then you have to write here div class, and then I will be now writing here container py5. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to write here div class row and write here justify content. Then you have to create here start. Then write here div class call lg8 and write here text center. Then I will be now writing here text lg start. Now you have to write here h1 class, and then I will be now writing font secondary text primary, and then here you have to now just write here text primary like this. Create mb4, and here I will be now writing super crispy like this. Now you have to save this thing and reload. So you can see now we are getting here all the things in this amazing cake application. Now after getting this stuff, you have to move down and create another h1 tag in which I will be now writing here display, which should be 1. Then you have to write here text uppercase. So here I will be now writing text uppercase, text wide, write here mp4, and then I will be now writing here cake zone. So here I will be now writing cake zone like this. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here h1 class as this, and then here I will be now writing text uppercase and write here text wide. Then after writing this, you have to now write here the best cake, and I will be now writing here in like that. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here div class as dflex, and I will be now writing here align item center, and then you have to write here justify content, which should be in center. Then when you just written this thing here, you have to now write here justify content. Then you have to write here lg start like this and write here pt5. Now you have to create a tag, and here I will be writing class as btn primary. And then when you've written this, you have to create here border, and I will be now writing here border inner py3 px5, and I will be writing me5. Then you have to now create here read board. Then after writing this, you have to move down and create button, type should be button. Then I will be now creating a class as btn play. Then I will be now writing data bs toggle equal to. Then I will be now writing here model, write here data source. Then I will be now writing https:/www.youtube.com, and I will be now writing here /invent/. Then I will be now writing dwrc. So here I will be writing dwrc npr. Then I will be now just taking this p to small. Then you have to now write here kdc. Now when you've written this here, you have to now write here data bs target, and here I will be writing video model. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to move down and write a span tag open close, create h5, in which I will be writing class as font weight normal, and then I will be writing text wide. And here I will be writing m0 ms4 and write here d none, which means that display none. Write here dsn block. Then here I will be writing play video. So here I will be writing save it here, and then you have to reload. So you can see now we are just getting a read more button and a video option, which is looking good, and we are also getting the best cake in London, which is looking good. Now when you are getting all that stuff here, you have to now do simply one thing, like I will be moving down after these 5 divs, and then you have to write here div class model, and I will be now writing here fade. Then I will be writing here id, which should be video model, and you have to write here tab index, and then I will be now writing here -1, create area, and I will be now writing here area labeled by equal to, write here example model label. Then I will be now writing here area hidden true. Then when you've written this, you have to write here div class, and I will be now writing here model dialog. Then I will be moving down and create here div class model, and I will be now writing here content. Then you have to now write here rounded 0. Then I will be now writing div class as model, and I will be now writing here header. Then create h5 class, and I will be now writing here model title.
Then I will be now writing here example model label. Then you have to now just write here YouTube video. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here button type, and I will be now writing here button class, and I will be now writing here BTN close. Then when you've written this, you have to now write here data BS dismiss. So here I will be now writing data BS dismiss equal to model, and I will be now writing here area label close. Then you have to save this, and after saving this tag, you have to now move down. After this close div and create here div class as model body. So here I will be now just writing here model body like this, and then I will be now writing here div class, and here I will be writing radio, and write here radio like this 16 by 9 like this. Now you have to move down and write here iframe, and then after writing this iframe, here you have to now just write here class as invent, and then I will be writing here responsive, and then when you've written this, you have to write here responsive item source like this and create id as video. And then when you've written this, you have to write here allow full screen. Then I will be now writing here allow script access. So here I will be now writing allow script access. So here I will be now writing, then I will be writing always. Here you have to write allow, and I will be writing here autoplay. Then when you've written this, you have to now move down after the 5 divs which we have created. Then you have to create your div class as container, and I will be now writing here container fluid py5. Then you have to now just write here pt5 like this. Then write here div class as container, and I will be now writing here div class section title, and then you have to write here position relative, and then I will be now writing here text center, and write here mx auto like this, and then I will be writing mb5 pb3. Then you have to now just write here style, which should be max width, and I will be now writing 600 pixels. Then you have to now write here h2. So here I will be now just doing one thing, I will be moving down. Then I will be now just writing a tag as h2. Then here I will be giving it class as text primary, and I will be now writing here font secondary. Then here I will be writing about us. Write here h1 class as display 4, and I will be now writing here text uppercase, and I will be now writing here welcome to, and I will be now just writing here welcome to game zone like this. Save it. Then you have to now move down and create here div class, and I will be writing it as row gx5. Then you have to create here div class call lg, and I will be now writing here 5 mb5, right here mb5 like this, mblg0. Then you have to now write here style as min height, and I will be now just writing here min height as 400. So here I will be now writing 400 pixel like this. Now when you create this thing, just here I will be moving down, and here I will be just doing one thing, I will be now moving down after this tag, and then you have to create div class as, and here I will be writing position related, and I will be now just writing here h100, which means that height should be 100. Then you have to write here image tag, remove the source first of all, and create class in the place of it, and I will be now writing here position absolute. Then you have to write here w100 height 100, then write here source image slash, and write here about.jpg. Now you have to create a style in which I will be writing object with cover like this. Now you have to move down and create here div class as, here I will be writing call lg6 pb5. Then you have to now write here h4, in which I will be writing class as mb4. Now here I will be just writing a tag as like this, and then you have to now just paste the text which we are getting. So you can see we have just now written this thing, so I will be now giving it the title. So you can just give any title here. So I will be writing 10.4 edit, and I will be now writing here editor. Then you have to write here jcom silica. Then here you have to write dm $dm. Then you have to now just write here ipsum array lorem set stat. Then here you have to write labore lorem set silica dua. Like this. Now we have written this thing, so here I will be now pressing backspace. Now after doing this, you have to now move down and create beta. Here I will be writing mb5, in which I will be now writing lorem ipsum tag. Now when you've just written this thing, just here I will be moving down and create here div class row g5, So here I will be now writing row g5 like this, and then I will be now writing here a tag which should be as diff class. So here I will be now writing diff class and write call lg, or you can say call sm6 like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be writing diff class and I will be writing here deflex. Right here align items should be center. Then right here justify content center. Now when you've written this, here I will be moving and write here bg primary. Then you have to write here border inner and write here md4. After writing this, you have to now create here style as width. So here I will be now writing width as 90 pixel and I will be also writing the height as 90 pixel. Then you have to create here I tag. So here I will be now moving down, and then after moving down, you have to create here I tag with class as fa. Then I will be now writing here fa heartbeat and I will be writing fa2x and write here text y. Now when you written this, you have to now just do one thing like here I will be moving down and write here h4 class as text and I will be now writing here uppercase. Then I will be now writing here 100% LP like this. Then you have to move down and write here MD0 P tag. Then here you have to now write this text. So here I will be now copying this text from here and then you have to paste this here. And after pasting this text, you have to simply do one thing. You have to move down and create here div class as call sm6. Then here I will be writing div class and I will be now writing deflex and write align items which should be in center. Then you have to create here justify content center and I will be now writing here bg primary. Then you have to write here border inner md4. Now you have to just write here a tag which should be like style and I will be now writing width 90 pixel, right here height 90 pixel. Then you have to now write here I tag. So here I will be now writing here I tag class and I will be writing fa award and I will be now writing here fa2x create text y. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to create here h4 class and I will be writing here text uppercase and write here award winning like this. Then you have to move down and write here p tag class mb0 and then I will be pasting this text here. Then you have to save it, and after saving this you have to now do one thing like you have to move after the 6 divs which we have created 3 4 5 6. So these are the 6 divs here, and then I will be writing here div class as container and I will be now writing here fluid. So here you have to also write this container fluid bg image, write here py5 and b5, then write here div class as container py5. Then you have to write here div class row and I will be now writing gx5 like this and write here gy4. Then you have to create here div class and I will be now writing here call lg3, then create call mt6. Now you have to just move down and write here div class deflex. Then I will be now doing one thing, I'll be moving down and then here I will be writing div class again, and here you have to write bg primary and write here border inner. Then you have to write here deflex and create align items in center. Now you have to just do one thing here like here I will be moving in this tag and write here justify content and I will be now just writing here in center. So like this, and then when you've written this here you have to write mb3. Then you have to create here a style and then I will be writing width 60 pixel. So here I will be now writing this and create height as well which should be 60 pixel. Then I will be now just doing one thing like I will be moving down and then here I will be creating I tag with class as fa star and I will be now just writing here text white like this. Now after writing this you have to move down, and then after moving down you have to create here div class and then I will be now writing it as ps4. Then you have to write here s6. Then I will be now writing here class as text primary and then you have to write here text uppercase. Then I will be writing here our experience. So here I will be now writing this tag and then you have to write here h1 class in which I will be writing display 5. So here I will be now writing here right here text white and here I will be writing md0. So here when you just written this you have to now write here data toggle and here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like counter. So here I will be now writing counter up like this. Now you have to write here 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Now you have to just move down and create here div class as call lg3 and write here call md6. Now you have to write here div class as deflex and then I will be now writing here div class as bg primary. So here I will be now writing bg primary border inner, and I will be now writing here deflex align item center, and then you have to write here justify content, and I will be now writing here center mb3, and right here style as width, and I will be now writing here 60 pixel, and then you have to give here height as 60 pixel. Now you have to just move down, and then I will be now just doing one thing. I will be making a tag as I tag. In class I will be writing FA users, and I will be just writing here text one. Now when you've just written this, you have to do one thing, like I will be moving down and write here p tag class ps4, and write here h6 class, and I will be now writing it as text primary. So here I will be now writing here text primary, text uppercase, and then here I will be writing a specialist. Then you have to move down and write here h1 class, and I will be now just writing here display 5, right here text white. Then you have to write here mg0. Then I will be now just writing here data toggle equal to right here counter up. Now you have to just do one thing. You have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 all like this. Now you have to just do one thing like this. You can see we have just now written this all this stuff. So I will be doing one thing. I will be copying this stuff from here. So here I will be pressing Ctrl Z, and then I will be copying till div 3, and then you have to paste it here. And after pasting this tag, you have to now simply do one thing, like here I will be moving, and then I will be now just writing this FA user to FA check. So here I will be now changing this FA user to FA check like this, and then I will be now writing here by removing this cake specialist. I will be writing complete project. So here I will be now writing this. Save it here, and all the things will be same here like this. And after writing these stuff here, you have to now do one thing. You have to paste it again down. So I will be now pasting it again. Then again you have to do same thing, like I will be changing this user to mug. Okay, now it is good. So I will be now writing here mug hot text white. Then here I will be now just writing the text as happy clients. So here I will be now just writing here the text as happy clients like this. So here I will be now writing happy clients. Now you have to save it here and then reload. So if I show you, so you can see we are getting welcome to Cake Zone. Then these are the cake categories. We are getting 100% healthy, award winning. Then our experienced cake specialist, complete project, and happy clients like this. We are getting this section working. Then I will be moving down after the 6 divs which we have created. You can see these are the 6 divs here which we have created now. Then I will be creating here a div. So here you have to now move down and create a div as div class container fluid, and write here about py5, and then you have to create here div class as container. Then when you've written this, you have to create here div class as section title, and you have to write here position should be relative, and then I will be now writing here text center, and you have to write here mx auto, then mb5 like this, and after writing you have to write here pb3 and create here a style as max width, and I will be now writing here 600 pixel. Then you have to do one thing, like I will be moving down, and you have to write here h2 class as text primary here, and then you have to now write here font secondary. So after writing this font secondary, you have to now just write here menu and pricing. So here I will be writing this. Then after writing this tag, you have to now move down and create here h1, in which I will be writing class as display4, and write here text uppercase. And then when you've written this, you have to write here explore our cakes like this. Now you have to create a tag which should be as div, and I will be now writing here class as tab class. Then I will be writing here text center. Now when you've written this, you have to write here UL tag, and then I will be now writing here class as nav bills. So here I will be writing this, and write here D inline flags, and write here justify content. Then you have to write here center BG dark. Now you have to create your text uppercase. So here I will be now writing text uppercase border inner, and then when you written this thing, just you have to write here P4 MB4 5. Now you have to just create li tag, and I will be now just writing here li class nav item, and then I will be now just writing here a tag, and here I will be writing here class as nav link. Then you have to write here text white, and I will be writing here active. Then you have to write here data bs toggle Then I will be writing equal to fill href, in which I will be now writing here tab 1. Then you have to create here birthday like this, and I will be now just moving down and write here div class li, and I will be now writing here nav item, write here a tag, and then I will be now creating class as nav link here. Then I will be writing text white. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here data bs toggle. Then I will be now writing here fill href, which should be empty like this, and here I will be writing tab 2. Now you have to just do one thing. In center I will be writing here wedding. Then you have to create li class nav item, and I will be now writing here a tag, in which I will be now giving here again the class as nav link, and I will be now writing here text white. Then I will be writing data bs toggle, and here I will be writing fill. Then you have to write here href and write here tab 3. Then you have to create here custom. Then I will be now writing div class tab content, and then you have to write here div id, write here tab 1. Then create here class as tag fade, and I will be now writing here fade show p0, and then you have to write here active. Now when you've written this, you have to now do one thing, like I will be writing here div class as row, and I will be now writing here g3. Then I will be now writing div class call as g6, and then when you've written this, you have to now create here div class as dflex, and I will be now writing here as control. Now you have to just write here div class as flex shrink. Now when you've just written this thing, just here I will be now writing dash 0. Then you have to write here image. Then remove the source first of all and create class in the place of it, in which I will be writing image fluid, and then I will be writing source image slash take1.jpg. Now you have to just write here style equal to width, and I will be writing 150 pixel, and write here height, in which I will be also writing 150 pixel. Now here I will be just changing this 150 to 85 pixel like this. Now you have to move down, and here I will be writing h4, in which I will be writing here class as bg dark, write here text, and I will be now writing here primary like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now writing here p2, and then you have to write here m0. Then you have to write a dollar price. So here I will be now writing 99.00. Create here div class as dflex, and I will be now writing here dflex flex column. Then here you have to just write justify content center, and I will be now writing here text start like this, and then you have to write here bg secondary, and here I will be now writing here border inner, and I will be now writing px4. Then you have to write here h5 create class as text uppercase. So here I will be now writing like this, and create birthday cake text here. Then here I will be writing span ipsum, then I will be now writing here ipsum Silita, then I will be writing array amid, then I will be writing dollar sit like this, and here I will be now just writing here justo, and here you have to write cr mod, then I will be writing dm stat sit justo. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be now moving at the back like this. Then here you have to just move down and create this class, and write here call ng, which should be 6. Write here div class, and I will be now writing here dflex h100. Then you have to write here div class, and I will be now writing here flex string. Then you have to write here 0. Then after writing this tag, you have to now do one thing, you have to press Ctrl G to close side panel, and these are the 3 divs which we have created. So now you can see these are the 3 divs, and I will be moving down after this call LG6, and I will be copying these 3 divs from here by pressing Ctrl C, and then you have to paste it here. After pasting this tag here, just you have to do the thing like I will be moving here, and then you can see we have just changed this to like text with a simple text. So here I will be now writing a thing like I will be giving it all the same things, but the change we will be doing is that we will be making it same, like we will be doing not any of the change here. Then I will be moving down after the 3 divs and pasting it again like this, and you can see again we have not done any change here. And after doing that all stuff, so you can see we have done nothing changed in all of the text. So here we have pasted 3 times. So now you can see we have just done that 3 times here. So like this we have just done that. And after doing this thing, just here you have to simply do one thing like here I will be moving down, and you can see all the things are perfectly written here, and I think that it is good and nothing is wrong here. Now when you have written this, just you have to move down after another 3 divs here. So here I will be moving down after 3 divs and paste it again. So now we have pasted this thing again, and we have not changed any image here, and simply I will be doing it again. So just we have to do it again and again like this. So now we have done that 2 times again, and then we have to just do simply one thing, like I will be moving down, and here I will be copying the top tag which we have just written. You can see this one tag. So I will be doing one thing, I will be copying this tab ID, and then I will be now just copying this till these 3 divs. Copy this and then move down after this, and then move down after the 5 divs which we have created here. So these are the 5 divs here, then paste it. Just now change will be that I will be changing this tab 1 to tab 2, and then I will be writing the class as P0 only. Active you have to remove from here. Now after writing this, you have to now move here, and then you have to change this cake1 to cake2, and here we will be also doing one thing, like I will be now changing the title to wedding cake this time. So I will be now writing here wedding cake like this. Save it, and after saving this tag, you can see we are getting all the things working, and I think that now it will be good looking. So after getting that all stuff, you have to now simply do one thing, you have to copy this cake2 this time now. So I will be copying till 3 divs, and after copying this, you have to paste this thing again, and then after pasting this, you have to now just do one thing, like I will be now pasting it one time. Then after pasting this tag, you have to now just do one thing, you have to now paste it again. So I will be now doing one thing, I will be pasting it again, and then you have to paste it again. Then here you have to paste it again. Now you have to paste it again like this. After doing these all stuff, you have to move down after 5 divs which we have created here. So I will be moving down after the 5 divs here. So you can see these are the 5 divs which we have created here. So I will be moving down, and after moving down, just you have to do one thing, like I will be giving some space from here. Okay, like this. So now here I will be doing one thing, like I will be moving at the top to copy the text which we are getting, like this one. So I will be copying till these 3 divs here, like this. Okay. Now after copying this, here we have to reload it to check it is working or not. So if I scroll down, you can see we are getting birthday. In wedding, we are getting the wedding cake here. You can see this. So here we are getting all the things working, means that our project is now working totally amazingly. So I will be doing one thing, I will be making it like this. Then I will be making the coding side bigger. Then here you have to copy this tag here, and after copying this, you have to now paste it here after the 5 divs which we have created. Now here you have to move down and paste it like this. After pasting this thing, you have to now simply do one thing, like I will be changing this to tab 3, and again I will be doing like this. You can see we have just written tab 3 now, and here I will be now just writing a thing which will be like cake 3 this time, and this will be our 3 image of cake, and I will be now just changing this wedding cake to custom cake this time. So I will be now writing here custom cake. Save it here. After saving this, you have to now do one thing, like you have to move here in this tag, and then you have to copy till call. So this is the call LG, and I will be copying till this 3 divs here, and I will be now doing one thing, I will be pasting this. So here you have to paste it one time like this, and after pasting it one time, here you have to now just do like you have to paste it 2 times again. So I will be now pasting it 2 times. Then again you have to just paste this tag here, and then here you have to paste it again, and then here I will be now doing one thing, I will be pasting it again like this. After doing these all stuff here, you have to simply do one thing, like I will be moving here, and you can see we are getting all the tips like this. So I will be now making this here simply, and then I will be making it here as well. Now when you just written this here, if I scroll down, so you can see we are getting all the things working. Then when you just written these all stuff here, I will be till here, I will be saving it, then reload. And now if I show you by reloading, you can see we are getting the birthday cake, wedding cake, and custom cakes, which is with the same price, but the image is different and the text is also different. But all the things others are same. Now when you are getting that all stuff here, I will be just closing this tag here, closing the div tag again. So here I will be again closing it. Again I will be now closing it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are getting 9 divs, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 9 divs which we are getting. Now I think that it is working. After getting that all stuff, you have to simply do one thing. You have to press backspace here, then simply here, and again, then again, like this. Now after writing this, you have to now give a space here, and then you have to give a space here, and then give a space here like this. After doing that all stuff here, I will be now moving forward, and then here as it is, I will be now doing the same thing. Now I think it is good. So you can see now it is working. After getting that all stuff, you have to move down after the 9 div which we have created here down, and then you have to create a div class as, and I will be now just writing here as container, and I will be now just writing here container fluid. Then you have to write here service, and I will be now just writing here position should be relative, and I will be now writing here px5 ft5. Then you have to write here style as margin bottom. Then I will be now writing here 135 pixel. Then you have to just create another tag which should be like of div. So here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like div as class, and I will be now just doing one thing like I will be moving down and creating here div class, and in class I will be now writing here container. Then you have to write here div class as row g5. Now when you've written this, you have to scroll down after this tag and create here div class as call lg, and I will be now writing here 4 and write here call md6. Now you have to move down and write here div class, and I will be now writing here bg primary, and I will be writing here border inner. Then you have to write here text should be center, and I will be now writing here text wide. Then you have to write p5 like this. Now after writing this, you have to write here export. Then I will be now writing here class which should be as text uppercase. Write here md3. Then I will be now writing here birthday date like this. Then you have to move down, write here p tag, and you have to paste the text here. So I will be now pressing Ctrl Z, and then this is the text. So I will be copying this text here by pressing Ctrl C. Then you have to move here in this p tag and paste this text here. After pasting the text, you have to now simply save it, and then here I will be doing one thing. I will be moving here. Now when you just done with this thing, just here I will be moving down and create here a tag, and then remove this href. In the place of it, I will be creating a class as text uppercase. Write here text dark. Then I will be now writing href like this, and then I will be writing here read mode. Then here you have to create I tag and write here I tag with class bi arrow, and I will be now writing here right. Save it. Then you have to create here div class as call lg4 and write here call md6. Then I will be now writing here div class as bg primary, and I will be now writing here border inner, and I will be now just writing here text center like this and create text wide, and then I will be writing here p5. Then you have to create h4 class, and I will be writing it as text uppercase and write here md3. Then you have to just write here wedding cake like this. Now when you've written this, you have to move down and write here p tag, paste this text here, and then I will be pressing backspace from here. After writing this tag, you have to now simply do one thing. You have to create a tag, remove this href, and create class in the place of it, which should be text uppercase, text dark. So after writing this, you have to now move forward and write here href, and then I will be now writing here read mode. Then create I tag class as bi arrow and write here right. Then when you just written this, you have to create here div class as call lg, and I will be now writing here 4 call md6. So here I will be now writing like this. Then you have to now write here div class and write here bg primary, then write here border inner, and then I will be now writing here text center like this. Create here text wide. Now when you just written this, you have to now move forward and write here p5 like this, and write here h4, and in h4 I will be creating class as text uppercase. So here I will be now write here md3. Then here I will be writing custom cake like this. Now you have to move down and create here p tag and paste the text which we have copied here and press backspace from here. Then I will be now moving down after this tag and create here a tag down. And then you have to now remove this href from here and create class in the place of it, which should be as text uppercase. Write here text dark. Then in center I will be now just writing here href and write here read mode as it is. Now when you've just written this, you have to now write here a I tag. So here I will be now creating a I tag here with class, and now in class I will be now just giving here the random class. So here you can just create a class as bi arrow and I will be writing here right like this. Now when you just written this thing here, you have to now just do one thing like we have just written that all stuff here. So I will be now just writing here right like this. So you can see we have just written this, and now we were just making the custom cake here in which I have just written this vi arrow class. Then you have to now just do one thing, you have to move after this tag to this and then create another div class called lg12 and right here call md should be 6. Then you have to create here text center, and I will be now writing here h1 class as text uppercase. Now you have to create here text line, and then you have to write here md4. Now I will be writing here 30% discount, and I will be writing for this summer. Then you have to move down and create a tag. Here I will be writing class btn primary, and I will be writing here border inner, and I will be writing here py3. Write here px5 like this and write here order now. Then you have to just do one thing, you have to now move down after the 4 divs here. So here I will be moving down after 4 divs. Then you have to write here div class container fluid. Then I will be writing here py5 like this, and then I will be writing here div class as container, and then you have to write here div class as, and I will be now writing here section title. Then you have to now just create here position should be relative, and I will be now writing here text center. Then write here mx photo mb5. So just now here if I show you, so you can see we have just done till all here. So I will be now pressing Ctrl B here to close the side panel, and I will be now making my VS Code at the left side, and at the right we are getting our interface. Now I will be making my file explorer open. Then here you can see we are just getting all the code working. So I will be now moving down, and you can see we have just written the div section, and then we have just written the div class spb-3. So now we have just mentioned this, and after mentioning this you have to now give here style, and in style I will be now writing here max width. In max width I will be writing 600 pixel. Then you have to create h2 tag, and then in this h2 tag I will be giving it the class as text primary. So after writing this you have to now write here font secondary like this. Now here in this h2 I will be writing here team members. So here I will be now writing like this team members. Then I will be moving down and creating h1 here with class as display4, and then I will be writing here text uppercase. Then you have to now just write here our master. Then I will be now writing here chefs. Then when you've written this you have to create here div class as row g5. Then you have to write here div class column g4. Write here column d6. Then again you have to write div class as team item, and here I will be now just writing div class as position relative, and I will be now writing here overflow. So here I will be now writing overflow hidden. Then you have to create image, and then remove this source. In the place of it I will be writing class as image fluid. Write here width 100, then source image slash team1.jpg. Then here you have to do one thing, like I will be moving down, create div class as team overlay. So I will be writing that, and write here width 100 and write here height 100. So here I will be writing that. Then you have to write here position absolute like this, and here I will be writing top 50, start 50, and I will be now writing here translate middle, in which I will be writing deflex, align items, center, and write here justify content center. Then create a div class again which should be deflex, align items, center, and then here I will be now writing justify content start. Then I will be now writing here a tag, remove this href, create class btn lg, and write here btn primary, btn lg, and then I will be writing here square. Then write here border inner rounded 0, and write here mx1. Write here href hashtag, and then I will be now writing here iTag class FAB, FA Twitter. Then I will be now writing here FW normal. Then I will be moving down after this A tag and write here href with class as BTN, BTN FG, and then I will be now writing here BTN primary, BTN LG square. Then I will be now writing here border inner. Then write here rounded 0 mx1. Then here I will be writing href again. Write this class FAB, FA Facebook, and I will be now writing here FW normal. Then when you've written this here, you have to now do one thing, like I will be moving down after the close A tag and write here class BTN, and then I will be now writing here primary BTN LG square, and then here you have to write border inner rounded 0 and write here mx1, and then you have to write here href hashtag and create itag class FAB, FA LinkedIn, write here in FW normal. Then I will be now just writing here div class as BG dark and write here border inner, write here text center P4, and then I will be now writing here H4 class text uppercase. Then write here text primary like this, and then here I will be writing full name. Then you have to move down and write here P tag class and write here text file. Then write here M0 and write designation. So here I will be writing like this designation. Then you have to move after the 3 div and write here div class as call LG4 and write here call MD6. Then you have to write here div class as, and I will be now writing here team item. Write here div class position, and I will be now writing here relative overflow, and I will be now writing here hidden. Then create image. Write here class as image fluid and write here W100 and create source image slash team2. Then here I will be now writing div class in which I will be writing team overlay. So here I will be writing W means width 100, height 100, and then I will be also writing position absolute top 50, and I will be now writing here start 50, translate middle, and I will be writing deflex align items center. Now when you've written this, you have to write here justify content should be center. Now you have to move down and write here div class deflex, and I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like align item center. Then when you just written this thing, here you have to now move here, and then here you have to write justify content center like this, and then I will be moving down after this tag, and you have to now copy this A tag which we have written. Control C you have to do here. Then I will be now moving down, and then I will be pasting this stuff here. Save it, and then after saving this thing, just here you have to now do one thing, like you can see we have just written that all stuff like we want. Then when you just done with this, you have to move after the 3 div and create your div class BG dark, and I will be now writing a border inner text center, and then you have to write here P4. Write here H4 class, and I will be writing here text uppercase. Then I will be now writing here text primary, in which I will be writing here full name. Then I will be moving down and write here P tag class as text white, and I will be now just writing here M0 and write here designation. And now when you've just written this, you have to save till here and then reload. And if I show you, so you can see we are getting all these things here. Our client section, which is called as testimonial section, these are the team members. So I've just now written 2 team members here, and after writing this tag, you have to now move in this call LG, and then you have to copy this till 3 divs here. Then you have to move after this 3 divs and paste this. After pasting this text, you have to now change this team2 to team3 like this, and then all the things will be same. Save it here again. Then you have to move down, and then after moving down, you have to just do one thing, like you have to now press Ctrl V. Then here I will be now moving down after the divs which we have created. So these are the 6 divs here. So I'll be moving down after these div and creating another div class as container fluid, and I will be now writing bg offer, and you have to write here my file like this and write here py file. Then you have to create here div class as container py file, and I will be now writing here div class as row gx, and I will be now just writing here gx5 and create here justify content visual. So just now here if I show you, so just I will be now opening my file, and you can see we have just done till here. And after doing that all stuff here, I will be now making my coding side bigger, because like you all know that when I was just writing here, so my coding side was bigger here. So I will be now doing one thing, like I will be moving here, then I will be now doing like this, and after making this all stuff you have to now just write here justify content center like this. So I will be now just writing this thing, then you have to move down here in this, and then I will be writing here div class, and I will be writing here call ng, and then I will be writing here 7, then you have to create here justify content center again. Now after writing this, you have to now just remove this justify content center, in the place of it I will be writing text center. Then here I will be writing div class, and I will be now writing here section title. Then you have to just create here position. So I will be now just writing here position related. Then give a space and write here text should be center. After writing, you have to now write here mx auto, and then I will be now just writing here mb4 like this. Then you have to create here pb3 as well. Then I will be now writing here style as max width, and I will be now writing here 600 pixel. Then here you have to now create h2, in which I will be giving it class as text primary. So here I will be now writing this and write here font secondary. Then in center I will be writing special, and I will be writing here combo test. Then you have to move down and create here h1 with class as display1. So here I will be now writing this. Then here I will be now just writing text uppercase. So here I will be writing this tag as well. Then create here text should be white. Then here I will be writing super crispy. So here I will be now writing this again. Then you have to save it, and here I will be now writing cakes. Then save it again. After saving this tag, you have to now move down and create your p tag. And here I will be now just creating a class as text white. So here I will be now just writing here text white like this, and I will be now writing here mb4. So here you can see we have just written this, and after writing this, we have to now create a lorem tag like this, and then I will be now moving down and create a tag, and here I will be creating class as btn primary, and I will be now writing here border inner. So here I will be now writing border inner p3 px5, and I will be writing me3. Then you have to write here shop down like this. Save it. Then you have to move down, create a tag, and write here class btn dark, and I will be now writing here border inner py3 and write here px5 like this, and create here read mode. Then you have to move after the fold is here like this, and after moving down you have to now create here div class as container. So here I will be now writing div class as container fluid, and I will be now just writing here py5. So here I will be now just writing here py5, write here div class as container. Then you have to now write here div class section title, and I will be now writing position relative, and write here text center. Write mx auto mb5 and write here pb3. Then here I will be now writing here style, and style I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like max width 600 pixel, and then I will be now writing here h2 class text primary. So here I will be now writing this and write here font secondary like this. Then here I will be writing testimonial. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to move down and create h1 class as display code. Write here text uppercase. So here I will be now writing this. Then here I will be writing what our clients says like this. Now when you just written this, you have to move down and create here a div class as out erosion. Then I will be writing here testimonial, and then I will be now writing here carousel. Then you have to move down and write here div class, and I will be writing here testimonial, and I will be now writing here item, write bg dark, and I will be writing here text white. Then you have to write here border inner, and I will be now writing here p4. Then create here div class as dflex. So here I will be now writing this, create align items, center, and I will be now writing here MVC. Then you have to write here image, and then I will be removing the source here and creating class in the place of it, which should be image fluid, and I will be now writing here flag string 0 and write here source image slash, and I will be now writing here testimonial1.jpg. Now you have to create here style as width 60 pixel, and I will be also writing height 60 pixel. Now you have to move down after this and create here div class as PSP like this, and write here export. Here I will be now writing class as text primary, and then when you return this you have to write here text uppercase and write here MD1. Write here client name like this. And then when you return this you have to move down and write here span profession, and then when you return this you have to create p tag and MB0. Then write here dollar at US labore. Then write here stat. Then you have to write just to set and write here as set. Then when you just return this you have to write here set, and I will be now just doing one thing like I will be writing set dollar, and I will be now writing here stat emit one. Then here I will be writing OS labore here. Then when you just return this thing, just I will be now doing one thing like I will be moving down after this tag here. So here you have to now move down after the one tag which we have created. Now I will be now doing one thing like we have just copying this till this div which we have created, and I will be now moving down here, and then here I will be now pasting this thing. So here I will be now doing like this, and then I will be just doing one thing. I will be changing testimonial 1 to testimonial 2, and simply I will be moving down again and paste it again, and then I will be changing it to testimonial 3 this time. So you can see we have now done that all this stuff. Then here you have to write testimonial 4. So I will be now moving down after this close with, and then here I will be changing this testimonial 1 to testimonial 4 this time. Save this tag, and then I will be moving down after the divs which we have created, 4 divs. So we are now getting these 4 divs here, and write here div class as container fluid. So here again I will be now writing this time and write here bg image. Then I will be now writing here text secondary. Now you have to create here style as margin top and write here 90 pixels. Then you have to now write here div class. So here I will be now moving down again and write here div class as container, and then you have to write here div class row, and I will be now writing here gx5. Now you have to create here div class call lg4 and write here call md6. Then you have to write here md lg n5. Then you have to now write here div class which should be dflex, and I will be now writing here text column. Then you have to write align items should be center, and I will be now writing here justify content center, and I will be now writing here text center. Then here you have to write h100 and write bg primary, and then when you return this you have to write here border inner p4. Then when you return this you have to now create index file and create here class as netbar bread. Then when you just return this thing you have to write here h1 class, and I will be now writing here m0 and create text uppercase. So here I will be now writing this and create here text white. Now when you just return this you have to create fa. So this is the class, and I will be writing fa birthday cake. So here I will be now just writing this fs1, and then here I will be writing text dark, and I will be now writing me3. Then you have to write here cake zone like this, and when you just return this you have to now create ptag, and I will be now writing here mt3, and then you have to write a lorem with some text. Then you have to create a thing like you have to move down after 2 divs and create a div after that which should be having the class as call lg8 and write here call md6. Then you have to write here class row gx5 and write here call lg4, and then I will be writing call md12. Now after writing this here you have to now do one thing like here I will be writing pt5 and write here md5. Then you have to move down and write here h4, then create here class as text primary. So here I will be now writing and create text uppercase mb4, in which I will be now writing here get in touch. So here I will be now writing like this. Then when you just return this you have to move after this h4 tag, create div class dflex, and then I will be now writing here mb2. Then you have to write here I tag class bigo or, then I will be now writing here text primary. Then you have to write here me2. Now when you return this thing, just I will be now moving down after this tag and create p tag with class as mb0 and write here 123 street, and then you have to now just write here New York like this, and then I will be now writing here USA. Now you have to move down and create here deflex again, and I will be now writing here md2. Then you have to write here I tag class bi envelope, and I will be now writing here open text primary. So here I will be now writing this and create me2. Then when you return this, you have to move down and write here ptag class as mb0 and write here info@example.com. Then you have to move down and create div class as deflex, and I will be now writing here mb2. Then I will be now writing here itag class bi telephone. Then I will be now writing here text primary. And when you just return this here, you have to now do one thing like me2 like this. Then when you just done that thing here, you have to write ptag class mb0, and then you have to write plus 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Then you have to create your div class deflex mt4. Then I will be now writing here a tag and write here class as btn lg, and write here btn primary, and write here btn lg square. Then when you return this, you have to now write here border. So here I will be now writing border inner rounded 0, and I will be now writing here me2. Now when you return this, you have to create href, and then you have to now write here itag class, in which I will be writing fab fa Twitter, and I will be now just writing here fw normal. And then when you just return this, you have to now move down, and then here I will be writing a tag. And then when you return this, you have to now write here class as btn, and then you have to write here lg btn primary like this, and write here btn lg, and write here square. Then when you return this, you have to create border inner rounded 0 and write here me2. Then you have to create href hashtag, in which I will be now writing here class fa Facebook, and I will be now writing here like this. Now when you just written this thing here, I will be now writing here fw normal. Now here you can see we have just created this thing. So here I will be doing one thing else, like I will be copying this a tag, and then you have to paste it here and paste it down here. So here I will be pasting it only one time, and then I will be now changing this to like fa LinkedIn, and then you have to now write here IM, save it, and after saving this file, you have to just simply do one thing. You have to now reload this here. After reloading, if I show you, so you can see we are getting all this stuff here, and our project is ready, which is of cake application. Now you can see we have created successfully this amazing cake application through blockchain, Solidity, and Ethereum. So we have not used any of the styling library in this project here. We have only used the backend work of like blockchain. We have used Ethereum and Solidity to create this amazing cake application. You can see how good looking is that. We are getting all the interface, which is looking really awesome. Like we are getting the email section at the top. At the banner side, then we are getting the cake zone written here with the cake logo, which is looking good. Then at the right side, we are getting the phone number, or you can say a call us section, in which you can get the phone number of this site owner or the user of this site. Then you will be also getting navbar menus down, which is really amazing. You can see home, about us, menu, pricing, chefs, master chefs pages. This is the drop down menu which we have created. Then contact us. So this is really amazing looking, and you can also see we are getting a home page which is saying super crispy cake zone, the best cake in the London. Then we are getting a read more button and a play video section, and at the back we are also getting an amazing banner image which is looking really good. Then if I scroll down, so we are getting about us, welcome to cake zone. You will be getting all the cakes here, cake pictures you can see at the left side. We are getting that this is the text written about it, you can read it, and then we are getting 100% healthy award winning. Then you can also just read then user can read the experience of this owner site, and they can also read like who are cake specialists here, complete projects, how they have done, and how are happy clients there. So the user can see all that stuff here. Then you can and the user can also see the pricing of cakes. So you will be getting all the cake section here, and user can see the pricing. So different categories I put here: birthday, wedding, custom. So these are the tabs which I have created, and these are really amazing looking tabs you can see. Then we are also getting birthday cake, wedding cake, custom cake. User can take any one of them if they want to take. Then we are also getting 30% discount for this summer, so user can also take it on discount if they want. Then you can also put some of the master chefs who build these cakes here. So you can just put the name of them and designation about them. Then you can also just see these are the special combo packs of them and the super crispy cakes. You will be getting a paragraph about it. Shop now, read more button we are getting. Then client section in which you will be getting all the testimonial reviews about your cake which you have building for them. Then down we are getting the footer section which is looking really awesome, and that I have not put the copyright section, but you can put if you want. So this is the amazing project which we have created here of cake application. And if I show you in responsive, so obviously it is a cake application, so it will be responsive for mobile device as well. You can see totally responsive it is for mobile. We are getting the burger menu working, and then if I scroll down, so you can see all the things are totally responsive, and we are getting all the things working, which is looking really good. We are also getting an animation effect here in this section, which is looking really awesome. Then our tabs are also working. You can see in mobile device, so this is really good looking. You can also see this in tab device as well. So we have also created it for every device. User can use this application in any device you want, in PC, laptop, in tablet, in iPad, in iPhone, or in any device user want to use it, they can use. You can also see in iPhone 12 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S8, Pixel 5, Surface Pro 7, Pixel 5, and then you can also see in iPad Mini, iPad Air. So you can see these are the interface which you will be getting on the iPad. So basically like this you can create your application. So I hope you understand how we have created this amazing cake application from start using blockchain, Ethereum and Solidity. So if you have understand this video and if you enjoyed this project from start, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel and want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe on this channel. After subscribing to notification bell, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can create these amazing projects using different languages. So just I'll meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.